like ghosts in the wind. At the Quality Inn near Allentown, I walked down the hallway and ended up at the back door. I let a couple in and they invited me into their room. Room 123. A dude with a chick. I got booze. She got long socks from the store. In all honesty, I'm just trying to hang out. Ain't nothing going on anywhere else. Yeah, I really am a hotel kind of guy. I find cool people wherever I go, and sometimes they're dancers, so I know where they be at. You understand? Yup. The eerie sound of the highway, like ghosts in the wind. Outside the Quality Inn near Allentown, like Prince Nana said. But I'm on some other shit. Eerie sound of the highway, like ghosts in the wind. Outside the Quality Inn near Allentown. The eerie sound of the highway.